Now moving towards the third method, that is using a regular expression. Now the regular expression is a sequence of a character which forms a search pattern. Now we have used the method which is re.sub over here. It's first we have created the pattern which consists of the digits from 0 to 9, and in the list comprehension we are going to go through our string, and in that we have used an re.sub method in which we have passed the three parameters. The parameter 1 which shows that what you want to replace with. We are going to replace the patterns, that is the digits, to the none, and the ith is to which position of the string it's going to go through, and then we are storing it out in the list, and then we are returning the list, and then we are printing it out.